video starts in my pocket. Been wanting to make a small kind of everyday carry basic socket set toolbox kit for a while. I've been looking on Marketplace or eBay and whatever. Found this snap-on box. I've got a proto floppy head ratchet, got a proto adjustable, got that Wilde ignition pliers in there. Might have saw that video. Pretty good little floppy head here. Got a regular 8mm. Just as a comparison, here's the 8mm shallow pass-through socket. I like these sets for the smalls. They got this hex on there, so you could, they're real sneaky. You could get in there with an adjustable or a wrench and turn them. See how much sneakier they are than just a regular quarter drive. You understand, you'd be getting in there with just that. Not this space and then not that space. Now I've got a breaker bar in there, universal, and an extension. Set goes from 5mm to 13. Alright guys, it's another one. Just some random guy in a random driveway.